Hello everyone! Today I want to show you a review of a finished dress. We decided to make this dress without a waist seam. I really love it. I think that the neckline looks amazing. Olya also loves the dress and she's already planning to go out in it. Of course, she's not going to wear it with these shoes. I think that she has something better. I wanted to have a look at the neckline. The draping is very beautiful. The dress is simple, but at the same time, it's very stylish. The dress is not close-fitting, but at the same time, it's not wide either. If you make a close-fitting dress, you will need to make a zipper in the side seam. The dress is very stylish. I think that you can also make blouses this way. It will look very nice with pants or a pencil skirt. The most interesting detail in this dress is the neckline. I showed you how to make a pattern for this dress very thoroughly. We haven't changed it. My subscribers are so talented. You guys have a lot of interesting ideas. Have a close look at the dress. I think that Olya looks like a star in it. It's the color that makes the dress look so good. It's very important to know how to make patterns and adjust them to different designs. The dress is pretty loose. It may seem that the sleeves are of different length. This is just because the neckline is not tight, so it can move this way. Next, I'll put the dress on a table to show you the wrong side. Have a look at the table. Olya took the dress off. You can see that the dress is lined. Both the dress and the lining are black. Have a look at the lining. Due to the fact that we draped both the lining and the dress itself, the draping is very strong. You saw how it looks like on the body. We did not double this part with interfacing. It's very important that this seam is pretty strong. It makes the draping look so beautiful. The seam was made in such a way that it's on the wrong side. The lining is even to the dress itself. It's just a bit shorter at the bottom. You can see that the dress is overcast. There is nothing complicated. The techniques used for making this dress are very simple. The dress is very stylish. Even though this is knitted fabric, it almost doesn't stretch. It stretches in both directions, but just a bit. The fabric is pretty strong. I think that the dress is absolutely amazing. Simple designs are the best. Olya is absolutely happy with this dress. That's all for today. Be different and beautiful. We're Paukshte, Irina and Olya. Guys, please subscribe to my channel, write comments, share videos and press the like and the bell buttons. I really need your support. Thank you. Goodbye.